Hey guys, it's David, Trade Support Group. Hope everybody's doing well. We've posted a few videos so far with gold, Bitcoin, Tesla, whatnot, and you've seen that over the past weeks, the ones who are following us that are solely on technical analysis, we've been very accurate so far, okay? And you guys can do the same. So right now we're going to look at the cable, the GBP USD, and let's try to make a fairly accurate prediction of what we can do with it. All right. Now, a couple things we're seeing here. You can see that we broke our 200-day moving average. So we've started ourselves we finished the last quarter of the year and brought it into this year into a bullish market. And looks like we got topped out here already by December of last year, end of November. And if we zoom out a little bit, you see that towards the middle of last year, it looks like we hit a bottom for the GBP USD. With all the elections and Brexit talk, wasn't very positive for the bulls with the cable. But nonetheless, going back to the day chart, it looks like we've managed to get above our 200-day moving average, as I said, meaning we've started to trend into a bullish market. You can see that we have support lines here and here at 129 and at 130, exactly where we are now, 130.44. So what we've done is we've drawn our next resistance line up here around 132.9. Let's just call it 133 if we're going to round off some numbers. So ideally, guys, what we're looking at is a potential. And the reason I say it's a potential, let's start from right here up to this line. You know, it's around 2,500 pips. Ideally, you might go even lower because there is another line of resistance. There are different zones, but I'd say there's maybe another one in this area, which is around 1,200 pips, 1,300 pips, depending on what type of trader you are. If you're looking a little more long term, I myself don't put caps. I don't put take profits. I do use my stop losses, but take profits I don't use all the time. So maybe in this area around 1,200 pips. And the reason I say that is because the stochastic here is looks like it's getting ready to bust through this 20 line here and go into an oversold market. And I'm thinking worst case scenario, we get down to 129, and that may be the ultimate buy signal. Because ideally what we're looking for is convergence. We're looking for everything to tie in together and just to make sense. Now, if I'm using this 200-day moving average and the stochastic strategy, everything looks like it's tying in on a day chart. Maybe I'm trading for let's say midterm trading, not full long term and not day trading. Maybe 3 or 4 or 5 days, maybe a week or two. But again, we're at 130.44. Maybe within the next couple of weeks, we could see the GBP USD bounce from this support or this support and head up to around this 132, maybe even 132 flat where we were, 131.9, and then the next level is at 132, almost 133. So if I had to have signals here, I would say around 131. Let's just be accurate. Okay, so I would say around 131.6 for a first take profit, and then next level we're looking up here at about 132.9. Again, this is a little bit longer term trading. Of course, this wouldn't happen overnight unless something drastic or dramatic happens. So ideally, like I said, with convergence that we're looking at here, we're going to be a little more patient. Maybe by tomorrow or the beginning of next week, we will see this come into an oversold position. As you can see, we're in again, bullish market. Right here, we have that same signal. It goes into oversold in a bullish market. You can see exactly where that occurred, which is right here at the bottom, and we had a strong push up. So what we're looking for is that same signal in here or in here again to test these support lines and then to bounce back up. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. We'll keep you guys updated. Maybe by the end of the first quarter of this year, we may see the cable at 133 or above. So let's keep an eye on it, and I'll keep you guys up to date. Take care. Hey guys, David again. If you need any assistance, whether you're a beginner or intermediate or a professional trader, feel free to find us at tradesupportgroup.com. You can get a free consultation. It costs you absolutely nothing to speak with a live trader, a live coach, someone like me who knows what they're doing, and to give you insights on whether it's good for you to start trading now or whether you should wait, or just to give you some positive advice. Overall, if you're ready to start learning, find us at tradesupportgroup.com. Get a free consultation. Go to our free consultation page. Take a look at our discounts we have right now. We're running New Year's promotions, 50% off. Some of our most popular packages, the 1 month and 3 month package. So take a look at those. If you have any questions, it costs you nothing again. Speak with a professional and let us know what you guys think. Like, subscribe to our channel. We're going to keep pumping out these videos to help you guys. And let's make 2020 a very good year. See you guys soon.